Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another beauty unboxing from Next and it's the Feel Good Beauty Edit. The box costs £20 and it has a value of £95. If you're interested in this box for yourself or any of the other Next limited edition beauty boxes, and there's a few, they bring them out roughly 2-3 times a month, so they're always bringing out new boxes, which is brilliant. Really great. If you're interested in this one or any of those, which will be listed down below in my description, then you're welcome to take a look down there. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. I haven't had a look yet. So we've got a card, and yes, it gives me details about the product, so I refer to that as we go along. So it looks like, and there's 9 products in total. First up, one of my favourite ever mascaras, the Iconic London. This is Triple Threat Mascara. I should know this now off by heart. And we have got it in shade black. So this is a full-size mascara. It retails for around £20 actually. So you could say that you'd buy this mascara and everything else you get for free. I would go out and buy this mascara, so that's how I would look at it. I've got a few of these now and I've got a little mini to take on holiday with me when I go in a couple of weeks' time. You're not going to be able to see much, but oh my gosh, I've got really short, sparse, fair lashes. They are a bit of a nightmare. I'm not wearing today, but sometimes I do wear false eyelashes. I wear them quite often. But look at the brush. Well, it's not even a brush. Look at this. It's just a wand, really, but it does amazing for my lashes. It really lifts, lengthens, thickens. Oh, it is gorgeous. Plus, it's got the added benefit of being able, for me anyway, being able to do my under eyes, because a lot of mascaras that I love, I can't do my under, like Benefit Too Faced Better Than Sex, for instance. I can't do my under lashes because, again, as with the top, they are really thin. Hardly any of them, so I need a thin brush to get in there. But, oh, love it. It's such a great mascara. It says lift, lengthen, add standout volume with Iconic London's Triple Threat Mascara. It instantly opens the eye area, helping you look awake and re-energized in a matter of seconds. So there's that. Next, I got a little Sunday Rain body butter in mango and coconut, and there's 90 grams here with mango butter and coconut oil. Now I've only just recently received this in, I think it's a Look Fantastic beauty box for June. I'm sure it's in that one. And yeah, so I've got another little one now. It is really cute. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Ah, it's sealed, so I'll keep this one. I won't open it up. But yeah, it's just a really gorgeous, thick, creamy body lotion that smells fruity. I do love it. Infused with nourishing mango butter and coconut for extra hydration, this vegan-friendly body butter leaves skin soft, firm and glowing. So there's that. Next we've got Eyeko London. This is in brown, Black Magic Cocoa Edit. It's a liquid eyeliner in brown, which is great. We always get black, so it's nice to have a different shade. Yeah, you might not be able to see much there. It's a brush nib. It's a really gorgeous nib. I'm not keen on, well, I say not keen. Don't like their mascaras. But yeah, the liquid eyeliners are lovely. And I love the fact we got a brown one. There's that. Oh, I forgot to tell you about it. Inspired by traditional Japanese calligraphy for ultimate control, this warm brown liquid eyeliner glides onto the lids to create the perfect cat eye. Oh, there you go. Next, we've got a product from This Works. This is Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. And there's 15 mils there. It's a little mini one. With a powerful super blend of wheat-based hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, this potent serum helps to firm, tighten, smooth and hydrate in one. Next, a product by Emma Hardie. This is Moringa Renewal Treatment Mask. Improves radiance and luminosity, improves hydration, moisture levels and firmness, helps to reduce pigmentation. And there's 15 mils there. I've tried this mask a few times and it is really nice. I do like Emma Hardie. Love the balms, love their, can't remember what it's called, the 3-in-1 product, primer, moisturiser and SPF as well, really good product. It says, spoil your skin with this richly hydrating face mask. It helps to improve skin moisture, radiance, firmness and also smooth out fine lines. A pro facial from the comfort of your own home. So there's that. Then we got a product from Neom. Neom Organics London. Perfect night sleep, overnight facial cream. Hydrates and plumps for well-rested skin and has the scent to sleep. And there's 10 mils there. Wake up to the best ever complexion with this magical midnight facial treatment. Packed with potent actives and powerful natural extracts, it helps to plump, firm and restore tired skin. So there's that. Then we've got a lip liner, a long wear lip liner in shade Naked by Delilah. There. You can twist it up and down. Now this brand, Cohorted, is bringing out the subscription box for June, all of Delilah products, makeup products. And I think I was saying before that I've only ever, to my knowledge anyway, I've only ever tried lip products or maybe eye pencils from Delilah. I haven't tried anything else, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, it's a really nice colour, but I think I've already got this one. This is full size. Ensure your lip liner stays put all day with a super soft and creamy colour. It glides beautifully onto the lips without smudging or fading and lasts up to 12 hours. So there's that. Next, we've got a little teeny tiny Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is 5 mils. So a really small one. It's a great primer. It is a really lovely primer. Blurs pores really nicely. This cult primer expertly preps your skin for makeup with a lightweight velvety texture infused with vitamin A and E. It instantly blurs imperfections, nourishes skin and prolongs your glow throughout the day. Next, we've got a watermelon sheet mask by OOK. This sounds gorgeous. With hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Love the watermelon scent. Absolutely love it. It's got a sheet mask there. And this is full size. Revitalise tired skin and deliver a burst of hydration to your complexion with this biodegradable sheet mask, the perfect remedy for thirsty skin. Then lastly, we've got a perfume by Jean-Paul Gaultier, Eau de Parfum, and we've got 6 mils here, so a nice decent size sort of little mini, and it's Scandal. I'm not sure if I've smelt this before, but look at the bottle. It's so cute, isn't it? Little legs. Just smell a bit on my finger, on my hand. Oh yeah, I have smelt it before. It is nice, but it's not me. It's not me. It's a little bit too sweet. Yeah, it's too sweet for me. But I'm sure my daughter would adore that. So I'll give that to her. How cute though. I love little sizes like this when they come in their like little miniatures of the original size bottle. I just think it's so cute. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this next limited edition beauty box. I'm really happy with this box, which is one of the reasons why obviously I went for it. It's got one of my favourite mascaras. Love this brown liner. Really, really happy with that as well. Plus there's some products there that I've tried and tested before, which I know I really like as well. The items that I've got multiples of, then I will be passing them on. So yeah, I'd love to hear what you think. Did you go for this box when it was first released? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.